Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to understand watch time updates in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click Analytics in the left sidebar to open the channel Analytics page. Hover over Watch Time, Hours, to see its definition. A tooltip appears explaining it's the estimated total viewing time of your content. Move your cursor over the graph to inspect individual data points. A tooltip shows the date and watch time value for that day. Drag along the graph to view watch time for different dates. Watch time figures can take up to 48 hours to fully update, so if you've just uploaded a video, don't expect instant final numbers. If your watch time shows 0 for recent dates, it usually means the data is still processing rather than indicating no views. You can switch the date range using the drop-down at the top right to compare different time periods and spot trends in your viewing hours. The graph lets you identify which days drove the most engagement so you can see what content worked. And that's how to understand watch time updates in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.